All right, so I made a video of actually unboxing the plasma cutter, of actually pulling it out of the box the other day, and apparently my phone was recording in HDR. These new iPhones, apparently they record in 4K or HDR or something, and my Mac isn't capable of actually editing that type of video. So I lost pretty much the whole unboxing of it, but I still do have the review and the using it and everything. And I happened to drop the torch on the ground, and it has a ceramic cup that's on the end of the torch, and I ended up breaking it, but I still got it to work. And I'll leave a link down in the description where you can actually pick this exact plasma cutter up on Amazon. If you've been thinking about buying a plasma cutter, I really think you should stay tuned and watch this video right after this. So we just got back from Harbor Freight and Home Depot and a welding supply store. All I was looking for was to see if the welding supply store had one of these ceramic caps, because mine broke when I was taking it out of the box, and they didn't have any at the welding store. But last night I did order a pack of these. Comes with like 6 or something. Should be here tomorrow. But I went ahead and I super glued it back on there, and we're gonna give it a shot and see if it'll even work. I'm pretty sure the glue will just melt right off of there and it will stop working right away, but we're gonna try it anyways. So I got a 220 volt wire that I can use. This is a 8 gauge 4 wire, because I got this extension cord because this garage doesn't have 220 in it. The only 220 outlet is right on the other side of that door where my dryer plugs in. So this extension cord is gonna run out here, and I got the plug that fits the plasma cutter, and I got the plug that fits in the outlet inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this extension cord together, and then we should be able to hook up our plasma cutter. And I went to Harbor Freight to see if they had any of those plasma cutter caps, because they do sell plasma cutters at Harbor Freight. They had the electrodes and everything, but they did not have these ceramic caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this extension cord hooked up, and then we're gonna plug in our plasma cutter and see if it'll cut anything with the broken ceramic cap. All right, so I got my extension cord built. It's a 220 volt extension cord, and I'm gonna get it plugged in, see what happens. Hopefully don't catch anything on fire or blow anything up. All right, so I had this thing powered on, so my extension cord did work. The hose on the back is leaking air, so I need to hurry up, and I just want to see if this thing works. And then I'll get a new hose, and we'll, yeah, whatever. I want to see if it works before I run out of air. I cannot believe how easily that just cut through this. Even with the paint on it, it just sparked up and cut right through it. That was crazy. And like, it didn't make a mess or anything. And like, I literally just cut this and it's not hot at all. Like, probably cut it like 30 seconds ago and I can hold it in my hand. And it cut through this, like freaking paper and scissors. Like, that's how easy, it was easier than paper and scissors. Just cut right through it. I didn't even have to, I didn't have to have a clean spot to ground it. I just stuck it on there with the paint on there and everything. And it just went right through it. That's awesome. I'll never go back to a cutting wheel again. This is my G37 project that I'm working on. This apron's gonna be flat right here. There's gonna be a big plate that comes across here that picks up the tube frame. So that's why I cut that there. But if you've been thinking about getting a plasma cutter from Amazon, do it. I've never used a good one. Like, this is the first plasma cutter I've ever used, but that thing just cuts like butter. It's awesome. I love it. It works so good. Before I bought this plasma cutter, I actually went to Harbor Freight to look at the prices of the plasma cutter that they have there. And the plasma cutter itself looks exactly the same as this plasma cutter. Like, they have a different brand name, but they look identical. So the one at Harbor Freight is like 4 times the price of the one that you can get on Amazon. So do not buy a plasma cutter from Harbor Freight. Buy it on Amazon, because this, just do it. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for checking out the channel. If this video helped make your decision about buying the plasma cutter easier, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you can see the next video. I'll be using this cutter for a lot of the stuff that I do to this car. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.